take a look at the roadmap module. It is integrated with Jira. So the roadmap module is a place where you can easily track your objectives for your teams, for your company, for sprint, for each team, and so on. So at the top level, we have something which we call, by default, a program increment. This is a significant increment in the product which we are developing. But each big chunk always contains smallers inside. So in our case, we by default call it an iteration. A program increment consists of multiple iterations, and they are encapsulated in the program increment. And for each iteration, each team has its own goals. Sometimes the goals are hit. We have a success item. Sometimes they are not. Sometimes they are abandoned, like in this case. But most importantly, each item always on the roadmap has its own planned business value and actual business value. And based on this overview can be sorted by the planned business value. And the planned business value is an input from the business side, which will tell developers which item is more significant, which item has more value for the business side. The roadmap goes one level higher. It does not focus on specific epics or stories. It's not the main focus. The main focus is to see whether our objectives have failed or whether we have accomplished them, and which iteration is in progress. And since this is a Scrum of Scrums, we have one product which has this long increment ongoing. These are the objectives to deliver for all of the teams, and each team has their own individual objectives to deliver. And this is the place to check. Check if it's completed, check if we are done with the time and we have failed, or if we abandon an item. You can import here a Jira issue or just type it in as you go. No watches. Or type it in as an objective. It will also be created.